Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Heatmap overlays for landing page UX step by step clearly. Begin by selecting the Heatmap tool that best fits your needs. Navigate to the official website of the chosen Heatmap tool. Create an account if you don't already have one. Log in to your account. Locate the section for downloading Heatmap overlays. Choose the specific overlay option you need. Review any available templates or settings. Customize the settings accordingly. Ensure that your landing page URL is ready for input. Input your landing page URL into the appropriate field. Save the settings to finalize your choices. Look for the download button or link on the interface. Click on the download button to start the process. Select your desired file format, if prompted. Wait for the download to complete. Once downloaded, locate the file in your Downloads folder. Open the file to verify that it has downloaded correctly. Follow any additional instructions provided by the Heatmap tool. Integrate the Heatmap overlay into your landing page design. Review the Heatmap data to enhance your user experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.